Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to change your screen resolution and display size in Windows 11. Whether your display looks a little blurry, the text and icons are too small or too big, or you just want to get the best possible resolution for your monitor, this guide is going to help you fix it easily. Windows 11 offers several built-in settings to help you customize your display to match your preference. Whether you want a sharper look, better scaling, or improved performance. So let's get started. First, we need to access the display settings. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, and then click Display Settings from the menu that appears. This will open the system, and select Display Page in your Windows settings. Here, you'll see all your display-related options. Under the display settings, scroll down until you see a section labeled Display Resolution. Click on the drop-down menu next to Display Resolution. You'll see a list of available resolutions for your monitor. Select the resolution you want. Windows will usually recommend the best resolution for your display by marking it as recommended. For most modern monitors, this will be 1920 by 1080 Full HD, or 2560 by 1440 QHD. For 4K monitors, it'll be 3840 by 2160. Once you select a resolution, Windows will give you a 15-second confirmation window. Click Keep Changes if it looks good, otherwise, it'll revert automatically. If the icons, text, or apps look too small or too large, even at the right resolution, you can adjust the display scaling. Still under Display Settings, look for the Scale section. Click the drop-down next to Scale and choose a value. Common options include 100% actual size smallest text and icons, 125% slightly larger, great for most users, 150% or more for higher resolution screens. Choose the one that gives you the most comfortable viewing experience. You may need to sign out and sign back in for some changes to take effect. You can also change your screen's orientation, just in case you need it in portrait mode. For example, under Display Settings, look for Display Orientation, Landscape Default, Portrait, useful for vertical screens. Choose your option and hit Keep Changes if it looks correct, and that's it. That's how you change your screen resolution and display size in Windows 11, in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop your comments below, I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.